Hey, it's Miss Alana working on math, smart, awesome, and amazing, just like you. We are working on today's math assignment. Bam, it is Wednesday, December the 7th. Make sure you have your sheet. I have mine. We are on to our last problem. On the back side, right here, graphing. Let's begin by reading the standard. Read it with me. It says, geometry, graph points on the coordinate plane to solve real-world and mathematical problems. MGSE 5, G1. Understand that the first number indicates how far to travel from the origin in the direction of one axis, and the second number indicates how far to travel in the direction of the second axis, with the convention that the names of the two axes and the coordinates correspond. Example given, x-axis and x-coordinate, y-axis and y-coordinate. Now, we've been working on this all week, so you should be an expert. If you need more help, here's the help right here. Let's do it together. It says, plot the following points on the coordinate plane. Remember that the first point is on the x-axis, and the second point is on the y-axis. All right, what do we call this? This is a coordinate plane, and we are going to graph. We are going to plot some points. And here are the points right here. The first point that you see is the what? X coordinate. And the second point is the Y coordinate. Let's look at the plane. The coordinate plane right here. Which axis is this? That is the X axis right there. Bam, X. And which one is this? The Y axis. There's a Y right there to help you out if you forgot. Let's look at point A. Point A, the coordinates for that are 1 and 6. So where do we begin? Always start at the origin right here. The 1 is on the X, so we go right 1. 6 is on the Y. Go up to the 6 right there. Make sure you put the point right at the intersection and label it A. Let's look at point B. Point B, the coordinates for that are 3, 7. So where do we start? At the origin, right here, 3 to the right, we go 3 on the X, right there, and 7 goes up, right there on the Y coordinate, well, Y axis. And let's label that B. Moving on to C, point C, the coordinates for that are 4, 5. Where do we begin? Always at the origin, right here at 0, 0. We go right to the 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then that 5 says we go up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right there is your C point. All right, we're almost done. Let's look at point D. Point D, the coordinates for that are 5, 0. So we start always at the origin at 0, 0. We move 5 to the right on the X, there's 5, and since that's a 0, where do we go? We don't go anywhere. We don't go up. We stay right there at that 0. Make sure you put it right there on that intersection and label that point D. And the last one is point E at 0, 8. So we always start where? At the origin at 0, 0. Up, look, it's a 0. We don't go anywhere to the right. And that 8 says we go up, 8 on the Y axis, bam, right there. Put your point right there at that intersection and mark that E. That was easy enough. We are done. We are done with all our sheets, with all our problems on the sheet. Done with that. If you have some other problems to work out, don't forget, go find the other videos. I have tutorials for all the questions, so you can make sure that you get everything done correctly. Sprinkles, awesome sprinkles for you. Give me some awesome sprinkles. Yes. All right. See you.